Is your metal cutting bandsaw not operating at peak performance? Don't worry, DoALL can help. Like any other piece of precision machinery, your bandsaw must be properly maintained to maximize productivity and minimize downtime. With over 90 years of bandsaw repair and plant maintenance experience, our technicians have the tools and experience to provide a comprehensive solution for all your bandsaw service needs. DoALL technicians are fully trained and certified in-house. When you book an appointment, you get serviced by a certified DoALL technician. DoALL provides comprehensive repair services for the sawing machines in your shop to keep them running productively. We repair all major manufacturers of metal cutting bandsaws. DoALL provides maintenance and repair of our own make and models and our competitors' machines. If it cuts metal, chances are we've worked on one. Our highly skilled service techs work with your manufacturing team to implement integrated sawing solutions. You can count on DoALL to keep your bandsaw cutting at peak performance. Let our factory-trained technicians help keep your saw running at optimum performance. Contact us today to schedule a service event or quote from a DoALL service professional.